Chapter 3, Soft Skills Applicable in ClickBank Industry Synopsis. For those who are hearing of soft skills for the first time, you may know of it under a different name. Others also refer to it as the skills that make up a person's emotional quotient or EQ, as opposed to hard skills, which make up the basis for a person's IQ or intelligence quotient. Soft skill training is essential even in the ClickBank industry. Some may argue that most soft skills, like communication for instance, would prove useless in a virtual world. That is patently untrue though. Communication still matters even if you are selling products online. You still need to communicate with your target market. The only difference this time is the platform you are using to communicate. What soft skills do you need for effective ClickBank marketing? In general, many types of soft skills can prove essential when you have something to promote in ClickBank, though some skills may be more important than others depending on your product and marketing strategy. Personality traits. Are you a funny person or are you entirely too serious? Such traits can greatly affect how you approach your customers online and even how your product write-ups would come out. Social graces. Simply put, being able to display good manners at all times is a skill in itself. It may not seem so, but your customers will appreciate how courteous and polite you are in all your dealings. Communication. Of the many soft skills there are, this is arguably the most popular, but unfortunately one of the most difficult to master as well. Some people are lucky enough to find communicating with others easy, a skill that they're born with. But others are not as fortunate and need to work twice as hard to be eloquent and convincing. Either way, it is a skill that you must not be complacent about. Personal habits. Whether or not personality traits are inherent and fixed or not is still debatable, but there's no such ambiguity when it comes to one's personal habits. These are activities that you cultivate over time due to frequency. They are habits you can unlearn or eradicate from your routine with enough time, effort, and determination. Friendliness. Yes, friendliness is a soft skill in itself and one you can hone over time. However, you can be better at cultivating and maintaining friendships if you focus first on learning and appreciating the benefits of friendship, without any ulterior motives. People won't want to be friends with you if they see that you just want something from them. Optimism. This may also come as a shocker at the start, but if you think about it really hard you'll realize that being optimistic at all times can be hard work. You may not be born optimistic, but you can get around that by deliberately training yourself to become a positive thinker. All the soft skills listed above will definitely help you achieve more of your ClickBank goals, but don't think that they are all the skills you need to succeed. Hard skills, technical skills, and other major types of skills matter too, and will all definitely help in providing you with a well-rounded marketing strategy. Please my channel, subscribe and press bell icon.